empathy, emotional expression, and loyalty. These are how we show up for each other as seen in handwriting. The first one is empathy, and this is responding to the other person's emotional state. And empathy shows up in handwriting where when the pen returns to the baseline, there is a gentle loop. No angles, just gentle loops. There are more than I have marked there with the red arrows, but all of these are empathy, a lovely soft loop at the baseline. Next, we have emotionally expressiveness, and this is comfort showing emotion outwardly. And that shows in handwriting by the slant. So here we see quite a far right slant. You will always be able to tell what this person is feeling. They express their emotion quite a bit. Next one after that is the overlap. Empathy and emotionally expressive, when they come together, the person feels seen and felt. We'll add to that loyalty. And loyalty shows in handwriting where the eye dots are just that. They're just dots. They're not dashes, they're not slashes, they're not circles, they're not heart shapes, they're just dots. That is loyalty. And when you add loyalty to empathy, you get protective care, someone who is loyal and kind. And when you add loyalty to emotional expressiveness, you get steady intimacy. They're ongoingly loyal and affectionate. When all three are present, there is a deep bond can be created. Connection looks different for everyone. Handwriting gives us a way to see our own patterns with a little more kindness.